The title of my action research proposal is Tag Student Engagement. I'm seeking funds to assist in researching the progressive effects of the engagement of talented and gifted students. My project would be an inquiry-based and would activate students' minds in a positive way. My goal is to decrease the underachievement rate of our talented and gifted students by increasing their engagement within the regular education classroom. My project, the project that the talented and gifted students would be performing will provide knowledge of our government system, which is critical for our students to be aware of. The project will coincide with the 2020 presidential election. Students will learn about the office of the President of the United States and the election process. My students will also learn about what their responsibilities as American citizens will be once they turn 18 and are eligible to vote themselves. So what will the students do? They will research the responsibilities and guidelines of the Office of President. They will research past U.S. presidents. Then they will choose one president to further research, one that they were particularly interested in. They will write a report on that president. They will also complete a storyboard, decorate it with facts and then pictures, illustrations of the president that they chose. They will present their report and their storyboard to their classmates, and they will be able to dress as their chosen president or just in patriotic attire. I requested the IES grant for systematic replication. It's funded by the Institute of Education Sciences. They support the studies of interventions that have produced beneficial effects on education outcomes in one or more rigorous causal impact studies. I chose this grant because it specified the support of interventions. The mission of the IES is that it provides grounded educational practices to educators, parents, policymakers, and the general public. It also provides intervention opportunities that will improve educational outcomes, and there's also a technology platform. So my justification, the mission of providing opportunities that will provide educational outcomes would be fulfilled. Also, once it's completed, the research is completed, then I'll be able to share that with other educators and talented and gifted students. I'm requesting $76, and this is my budget. I'm requesting money for pencils and composition books to begin with. That's what students will use to write down the facts that they find on the research that they participate in. They will also get a trifold board, markers, scissors, glue sticks, and colored cardstock. This will allow them to do their visual project. I also budgeted for copy paper for their presentation reports, for anything else that I may need to copy. I also requested money for printer ink because this will be done outside of the school. I decided to purchase the ink for this project. The colored ink will just be for illustrations for their storyboards, as well as when I take photographs as for my observation, I will print the photographs out. And then the documentation, it's pretty lengthy. There should be a letter of intent, application, a project narrative, data management plan, dissemination history and plan, supplemental charts, tables, and figures, examples of intervention materials, letters of agreement, project summary abstract, references, human subject narrative, and a biographical sketch of all personnel. And that concludes my presentation.